Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy data extraction processes with Talend, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To deploy data extraction processes with Talend, start by launching the Talend Studio application. Open your existing project or create a new one based on your requirements. In the repository panel, locate the metadata section. Right-click on the database connection you intend to use and select Test the connection to ensure everything is set up correctly. Next, navigate to the design workspace and drag and drop the T-input component onto the canvas. Configure the T-input component by selecting your previously defined database connection. In the T-input settings, specify the desired table or query to extract the data. Now, add a T-log-row component to the canvas to visualize the data. Connect the T-input component to the T-log-row component using a row connection. Double-click the T-log-row component to adjust its settings as needed. Next, you may want to include a T-file output delimited component to write the extracted data to a file. Drag the T-file output delimited component onto the canvas and configure its properties. Specify the file output path, delimiter, and other relevant settings in the component. Connect the T-log-row component to the T-file output delimited component. Now, save your job by clicking the Save icon in the toolbar. To test your data extraction process, click on the Run tab. Review the output in the T-log-row console to ensure the data extraction has been successful. If everything looks good, go back to the Design workspace. To deploy the job, navigate to the Job Conductor tab within Talend. Find your job in the repository panel and right-click to select Export Job. Follow the prompts to select the export location and format. Make sure to configure any additional deployment options required. Once the export is complete, you can deploy the exported job on your Talend server or other environments. This completes the process of deploying data extraction with Talend. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.